This is Mauricio Gutierrez. I just wanted to explain a little bit about our DIP technology. Actually deconstructing it for those people out there that want to know a little bit more about it. What we have is actually a DIP board with IC chips. These are integrated chips in glass cases. The DIPs themselves are actually put right through and then soldered on the backing, as you'll notice. There's a heat management component that we have to it. It happens to be this silicone-based gel. As you will find out, in any circuitry, the enemy actually is heat. And so keeping heat away from the circuitry is really going to help the longevity of the product. In conjunction with the gel, silicone-based gel, we have an aluminum backing, and that's just for heat dissipation. And the top or the cover of the unit can be either clear or frosted. This happens to be a clear unit. This is shatterproof, so nothing will happen to the unit much, unlike our fluorescent counterparts. The driver technology, or the circuitry where everything is managed, happens to be on either end of the unit. This is really just to manage and regulate all the energy going through the unit. Thank you. And I just wanted to give you some information on one of our products, which is our SMD, or surface mounted diode TA tube. As you notice, there are little squares on top of an aluminum backing, which is very similar to this. And the SMDs are just mounted on top and then basically put together. This is a little bit different than our DIP line. As you'll notice, there is no silicone-based gel. The heat management all occurs on the actual aluminum itself with the DIPs, just because there's a better connection there. Also, the circuitry itself that manages basically the voltage and regulates it is actually in the tube itself. So you'll have that. It doesn't reside, as opposed to our DIPs, on either end of it. It's actually in the back of the unit. Now these coatings, much like our other product on the DIP side, is either clear or frosted. Here is a product that is frosted. So if the client would like, they can go ahead and actually have the unit frosted and or cleared. One thing I wanted to address was actually our competition. What we have out there are products much like this, which are from China. They're generally a silver capped, and sometimes the quality isn't as nice as we'd like. They also use a polycarbonate. The difference is the polycarbonate is completely 360 degrees around the unit. There is, from what I understand, no recyclable qualities in that unit, as opposed to ours, which are aluminum backed. What we do that's a little bit different for recycling the product, because we take ownership of it. We will buy these units back from the client at fair market value. Currently today, in 2009, aluminum rates are $1.54 a pound. We literally look at fair market value and go ahead and quantify exactly how much it weighs. That way we can give them the money back. Thank you very much.